This is your story. You sent this to me. This was interesting. Samsung's Find My Mobile feature now working with offline devices. This is really interesting the way they did this, because this Find My Device situation is only as good on many manufacturers as a device that's connected to the web. And that's not always the case. So what this one does is it uses almost like a mesh network of other Samsung devices in range to ping you. And I think Tile used a similar technology. They were the ones with those little tags that you could put in your luggage, and it would be this, this mesh network would help you find the thing when you lost it, because your luggage typically doesn't connect to the internet on its own. I mean, I don't know about your luggage, Will. You probably got that high-tech stuff.
I'm still working on it.
So this is a nice little additional thing. It was spotted by Max Weinbeck on Twitter. He says, looks like Samsung just added offline finding to Samsung's Find My Mobile. It lets you track your phone, even if it doesn't have Wi-Fi or cellular. So if someone yanks the SIM card out of it, but they're goofing around playing video games, as you would if you stole a phone or something. The feature is not enabled by default, and you can disable it in your settings. So you turn it on because, I don't know, you may have the privacy concerns. Because then all these other phones can pick up the location of your phone without... So if you have the privacy concerns, you can leave it off. But if you want to take part in the giant Galaxy mesh network, you can do that too. Maybe you can also turn it on and off depending if you're traveling.
Does that mean other Galaxy devices have to have this turned on to create the mesh?
Correct. But the thing is, you don't need that many, right, to get pinged. If anyone in that city, the more the better. But there's a lot of Galaxy devices out there.
That's true.
And you don't need that many people to be logged in to catch that ping.
Interesting. So it'll find your location or the phone's location, like the direct point, or is it like a triangle?
It'll be an approximation.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And I remember I've heard so many stories of people using this functionality on Tile, and crazy stories of people getting their bags back just because they were able to figure out the rough location. I don't remember who it was on Twitter, but they left their bag on a train and were able to follow it to know which station to go to, because someone else had the tracing enabled or whatever. Yeah, exactly. So anyways, this is a pretty cool thing.